Welcome back to the Tech Teddy channel. I'm your host Ken, and today I want to go over the STEM player. Now, this wouldn't be a tech channel if I didn't discuss all types of tech, especially music. Being a big Kanye West fan, I want to take the time to talk about and discuss the STEM player. Now, if you didn't already purchase it, the link will be in the description below. If you want to see my full reviews on the device and Donda 2, check out the REVUZ podcast channel, where myself and Love Zach get into very details about the device. Link is also in the description below. Now, once you receive your device and you will listen to Donda 2, you will first need to plug it into your computer, open Chrome, head over to stemplayer.com. Once you're there, you need to free up space on your STEM player by removing Donda album off your device and then clicking on Get Donda 2 and then Add. So once you have the Donda 2 tracks on your device, it takes about 20 minutes to upload each track and its stems. But once that's good to go, you can then from the computer itself actually play the songs, manipulate each stem, or you can plug it out and do it on the device itself. Or my best way of doing it is actually syncing it to my Bluetooth headset, whether it be AirPods Pro, AirPods Max, etc. And on this video, I want to show you guys exactly how to do that. So we're going to turn on the device by holding the power button. Once it vibrates, you know it's on. You're going to hold the volume up and down buttons on the device until the blue lights start to pulsate through the device, just like that. Then you're going to grab your headphones of choice. And you're going to sync by holding down that sync button on your device, on your headphones. Once you see that happen, you know it's synced, and you can now hear it through your headphones. As you can hear a little bit here. Of course, you can turn the volume up, down, control it from here. And there you go. As you can hear it. And you can manipulate it same way and actually enjoy it through your headsets. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. You can now do the same thing with any other device you prefer, whether it be a speaker, with a Bluetooth headset, maybe even your car. That's the way you sync it with your Bluetooth. A lot of people were asking, because I know that they were using a headphone jack or actually purchasing a USB Lightning cable to headphone jack to plug in directly. And I told them you can actually do it with the Bluetooth, and that's what it is here. So if you want to see the full reviews, go check it out on the REVUZ channel, REVUZ. And of course, that score might change as the technology in this device allows Kanye to upload tracks at any given time, maybe change the stems on any track or even the features on any track. So for now, we gave it a score. Donda 2 album is great. Go check it out. And again, thank you for watching this video. And if this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe, turn on notifications, share it with your friends and family. Peace.